Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-activate ng TikTok Pay Later. Super bilis at easy lang ang steps niya. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so open nyo lang yung TikTok app nyo and then go to shop. Yan, click nyo lang yung shop icon. Yan, tas after nun, sa taas, scroll nyo, makikita nyo yung pay later. Click nyo lang yung pay later icon, tas mapupunta kayo sa page na to. Yan. So, nakalagay dyan yung TikTok pay later daw. Pwede kang magkaroon ng credit limit up to 50,000 pesos. Tas no down payment. Within 45 days, up to 12 months ang installment, and fast approval. Okay. Yan. So, nakalagay activate in one step. Okay. So, click na natin yung check my credit limit and click continue. Okay. So, after nun, click nyo lang ulit tong continue na button. Tapos, manghihingi na siya ng ID for verification. So, yan. So, makikita nyo yung mga accepted IDs na pwede nyong gamitin. So, ako, ang gagamitin ko is yung aking UMID ID. So, click natin siya. Tapos, click continue. Pipicturean lang natin yung ating ID and dapat nakalagay dyan, huwag tayong gagamit ng expired na ID. Okay, so, picturean ko lang yung ID ko. So, after nyan, automatic ma-fill out yung details mo and yung ID number. And then, choose mo yung gender mo and marriage status. So, yan. Then, click continue. Then, click confirm. Next step, face verification. So, ito, yan, mag-face verification lang tayo. Picture. Yan, tapos i-upload lang natin yung acting mukha. And after nito is additional information. So, kailangan nating fill outan yung additional information at mag-choose ng repayment date. So, may kita nyo ako, continuous ko is every 15th. Next, reviewing the credit. Pwede natin. Yan, diba? Super bilis. Ayan, nakalagay. Congratulations. Tayo ay nagkaroon ng 6,000 pesos ng credit limit at ang ating due date November 15. And may kita nyo na meron din niyang notif. So, go ka lang sa messages and makita nyo yung sa taas. Ayan, TikTok Pay Later notification. Ayan. So, sabi ay, you're ready to shop with your TikTok Pay Later. Ang aking Pay Later due date is every 15th of the month. Okay, so we're done. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!